Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna learn about how to make money online from this free websites. So before I start this video, a disclaimer: you don't need to have any experience, you don't need to be a certain age. You can be a kid, a single mom, single dad, a teenager, anything, and you can earn money. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video for more making money online videos. So the first website we have is called Feature Points. Feature Points give you free rewards, you can get the money by doing surveys, cashback, and more. Actually, Feature Points is available on App Store and Google Play Store. Actually, it's a great way. You can earn so much money by completing surveys, giving your opinion to their questions, and you can earn cashback. Shop at your favorite stores and earn hundreds of dollars in cashback with Feature Points. Stores pay us a commission to sending you to them, and we share it with you. So as you guys can see, big shops, you can redeem the gift cards and go buy your favorite product from the best shops on this planet. It's crazy. You can also get paid by downloading apps. So you just have to download an app and earn the money. That's so nice, that's so cool. So yeah, that's a nice way to get paid. Just imagine downloading apps, using the app for 15 seconds or something and getting paid. Imagine doing it all over and over again. You're gonna earn a lot of money. So yeah, you can also redeem your points for awesome rewards. They give you PayPal gift cards, Amazon. It's a crazy, and it's 4 out of 5. It's crazy. You definitely you need to check out this app or website. You can use it from your phone, your laptop, any kind of this stuff. The second website is called mypoints.com. MyPoints pays you by shopping at your favorite store. Imagine shopping at your favorite store and getting points. MyPoints work at your favorite stores. Start shopping at mypoints.com and find out the latest sale coupons and promo codes and deals at thousands of stores for 2022. Earn points on every dollar you spend. Follow our links and let shopping begin. Points will be added to your account when your order is reported to us. Guys, they're gonna pay you just by shopping, and they're gonna pay you more money when you shop. They'll give you points, free gift cards when you shop from your favorite store, which is a nice. It's like so many people are doing this. It's available in Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, and Amazon. And most of us we go to Walmart, Amazon, this kind of stuff. So it's nice. And you're also getting paid to answer surveys like the other website, but this website is better because it pays more. From eBay, Walmart, all the surveys. Redeem your points for gift cards and more. So you're gonna redeem your gift cards and the points. Free gift cards to your PayPal account, and that's so nice. So the last website that we have is called Swagbucks. Swagbucks, you can earn so much money by this website. As you guys can see, you can earn by surveys, watching videos. You can get rewards. There is the rewards home. You can get rewards. As you guys can see, all this are rewards. I can claim this rewards right now, and they paid $665 million to people that are using this website for surveys, watching videos. You can download the mobile app, and you can download apps, and you're gonna get paid. It's a crazy website. You need to check it out. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications for daily making money online videos. You don't want to miss this. Let's get to the money. Keep working, keep hustling, and see you in the next video.